The Ekiti State Chief Judge, Justice Ayodeji Daramola, on Tuesday at the Ado-Ekiti Correctional Center granted amnesty to 34 inmates as part of effort to decongest the facility. He further added that the freed inmates were part of the 386 whose cases were received, adding that 27 inmates, including a woman, were set free unconditionally, while 7 were granted bail on liberal terms. He advised them to learn from their past mistakes and go into the world and do what is right by refraining from crime. The Kwara State Governor Abdulrahman Abdulrazak said the state has secured 1,000 flush toilets from the individuals ahead of 2025 deadline to end open defecation. He disclosed this in Ilorin on Monday, while declaring open a public lecture to mark the 2020 World Toilet Day. Represented by the Commissioner of Health, Dr. Razak Raji, the governor said the gesture would assist the state in eradicating the practice. He further added that the incumbent administration in the state had demonstrated total commitment to ending open defecation with the inauguration of the prototype integrated modern public toilet in 2019. According to him, the 1,000 flush toilets will be located in all local government areas of the state to boost good hygiene. The Senate urged the Nigerian National Petroleum Corporation (NNPC) to patronize indigenous shipping firms to help build their capacity to participate in the shipment of petroleum products largely dominated by foreign vessels. The upper chamber expressed worry by reports that the country loses over $120 yearly to demurrage in view of its exclusive patronage of foreign shipping firms in the transportation of petroleum products. Senator Teslim Folarin made this assertion when the group managing director of the NNPC and leadership of the Ownership Association of Nigeria appeared before the panel at its investigative hearing on the motion. Folarin, the former Senate leader, said the whole essence of this investigative hearing is not to trade blames. The NNPC helmsman told the committee that the indigenous firms are being neglected because they lack vessels with requisite capacity to participate in the shipment of petroleum products. He further added that most of the ships do not meet international standards required to ferry products in international waters. President Muhammadu Buhari has relieved Dr. Nasiru Muhammad from the position of the Director General of the National Directorate of Employment. According to the spokesman, Garba Shehu, the directive was given on Friday, the 4th of December 2020, and took effect from Monday, December 7, 2020. The supervising minister of the agency, the Honorable Minister of State, Labour and Employment, Festus, has been directed to nominate an acting DG from among the most senior directors based on competencies and seniority to take over from Dr. Nasiru until a substantive holder of the post is appointed by Mr. President. No specific reason was given in statement for the President's decision. The National Population Commission announced that the country had an estimated 206 million people. The chairman of the NPC, Nasir Issa, who disclosed this in Abuja while announcing the commencement of the 11th phase of enumeration area demarcation, added that the next population and housing census would hold by middle of 2022. The commission had, about 2 years ago, put the estimated population of the country at 198 million. Issa said the new estimation was based on projection, stated that it would be challenging to know the exact population of the country, since it has not been able to hold a census in the last 14 years. He further added that all the necessary preparation towards conducting a transparent population and housing census had commenced. Added that the NPC was just waiting for President Muhammadu Buhari, whom he said has the sole right to make the proclamation. He said while announcing the commencement of the enumeration exercise that about 260 local government areas out of 774 in the country had been fully demarcated. He further assured Nigerians and the international community that the Commission was determined to deliver to the country a population and housing census that would stand the test of time. According to him, the National Population Commission will continue to explore all the means to avoid the pitfall of the past.